quickly. So together with Milovan, we looked at a Git-based web platform for IFC data. For this challenge, we considered interoperability of bin data. So IFC file format already solved kind of the problems with the file data exchange and so on. But also now with the increasing amount of web platforms such as like BeamViewer, Dalux, iPar and so on, we have a bit of a problem to exchange data within or between platforms. So how can we solve this? We thought about GitHub, we all know that, and also how central it is for programmers and mainly, I mean, for the code development, interoperability, it's quite common, but it is closed source, and we know how bad it is to be closed source. Then GitLab, also quite common, though it's pretty heavy and complex for architects like me. Might not be the best option, but also it's only partially open source. And then comes the GIT, which is same as GitHub, GitLab, fully open source, a bit lighter. But now, if we use this for AEC, what does it mean to have a Git principle, which is made for programmers for AEC? So we merge this into a Git-based web platform for IFC format, gitaec.com. But we know a demo is worth 1,000 words, so I'll leave the stage to my colleague.
Thank you, Aurel. So yes, so let's maybe you can handle the mic. So yes, let's have a demo of what it looks like a GitHub, an open source GitHub for AEC, for architects. What is the idea? Well, the first thing, so here you can see this demo is based on GIT. Well, more precisely, it's based on 4.0. It's a fork of GIT, more free. And so this is 4.0. I hacked to add some AEC components. So this is exactly like GitHub. Let's okay. I will go in switch in English. It's better. So let's switch to English for you. So now I will sign in my account, my Git AEC account. Okay, so this is my personal platform. I can see all the repos I have on Git AEC. I have just for the moment this repo for the hackathon. What do we need? First thing is we need a viewer. We need to see our data, our IFC data. So the first part of the challenge was to add a viewer. So I used IFC.js, and thanks to Antonio, we fixed some issues about the full screen part. So let's hope this works well now. So first thing I will add on this folder, IFC folder. For now it's empty. So let's start to add IFC files. So let's, okay, still in French, I'm sorry. So I will stick in French. So let's add some file from my local drive. I will start with a very simple wall element, IFC. So let's upload it to the platform. Okay, so now we have this IFC file and we can cross-finger click on this IFC file and have IFC.js display the content. So we have the viewer of our IFC file in GitHub, let's say. It's not GitHub, it's Git AEC. But that's not the only part of the challenge. The second part was how about automation? Because you know GitHub is very important today for all the question about CI/CD, continuous integration, continuous delivery. And we have now in Git, we have actions, like GitHub Actions. Well, it's based on GitHub Actions, but redeveloped in Go. So I will try to make it work for you. I add this IFC file on this folder, and I add on this special folder for the workflows, I have this YAML file for the automation. And the well, it's a bit hacky, but the challenge was to extract data from the IFC file with the IFC OpenShell and have displayed on a CSV file. So let's see, the result should appear in output folder. So yes, so this folder was empty before. I will show you with a second example. And what the pipelines did is to generate this CSV file where there is just only one wall. So you see only one wall. Let's try with a more complex file. So let's add a new. So you can check that this output file contain, well, there is a test file IFC. It's another topic, but we have only this CSV file. I will now make a second example with a new IFC file, more complex. So I go back to the IFC directory and add a new IFC file. Now, this is to have a text. So let's upload a new file. So I go here and have maybe this one. 2 megabytes. Let's upload it to the platform. And now let's look. Let's have a look in the action. In the action here, we see that there is an action going on. So it's computing. So it's launching a Docker, and in the Docker, looking for changes in the files and doing some computations with IFC OpenShell. And okay, there is a red cross, but it's working normally, I hope. So let's go and check on the output folder. No, it's not working. Okay, this is the demo effect. The demo effect, so it's not, I don't have, so let's try with another file. It was working before.
Worked yesterday.
Yeah,
I can promise.
Demo effect. So where is, okay, no, my file is not here, it's not normal. I would, yeah, I didn't push it, so, okay, I didn't push the file, so this is normal. So let's have it again. Okay, commit. Okay, let's check for actions. So, yeah, okay, it's going to, yeah. During the computation, we can see a bit what's, so file change, yes, this IC file, computations, and hopefully we can see the results in output. And yes, duplex.ifc.csv. And here we have this, just for the demo, all the walls with the story, the level of the wall, and okay, so that's what the demo. Thank you.